Hello, this is Trisha Grothy and Rachel Mallon. Our Web 2.0 presentation for Applied Managerial Computing is discussing the website YahooLocal. We will answer these questions. What is YahooLocal? What does YahooLocal offer businesses and customers? What are the disadvantages of using YahooLocal? What are the two types of listings provided? How are local listings displayed? What are the requirements for listing on YahooLocal? What are some of the search categories of listings? And is there any additional information businesses may want to know? Let me first mention that the main website to enter YahooLocal is http://local.yahoo.com. We will first discuss what is YahooLocal. According to Yahoo's website, YahooLocal Listings is an online local advertising system that gives businesses the ability to provide detailed business information to millions of potential customers. YahooLocal offers many advantages to business. Since this website and its listings are on the internet, a business has the possibility to reach millions of potential customers daily. Also, the business's name is more easily searchable and marketable by having a listing with a popular search engine such as Yahoo. Another huge advantage is the ability to advertise the business for free or for a very low cost. Lastly, this website allows businesses to view competitor information and customer comments to improve their company and customer service. YahooLocal also offers many advantages to customers. First, if a customer is traveling, YahooLocal is a great research tool to examine and compare businesses in a certain city or town. Since YahooLocal places businesses in categories, it is very easy for a traveling customer to search for a certain service in a certain town. Also, past customers can offer feedback and comments as to the business's service. Since those comments are public, potential customers can view those and compare businesses to make a smart decision. As with any web tool, there are many disadvantages to YahooLocal. One important requirement is that a person must be a registered Yahoo user to write a comment about a business. This is a disadvantage for the customers wanting to share their experiences to potential customers. Also, as with any public comment thread, customers can post negative comments that reflect badly on the business. This is a huge disadvantage for the business. In addition, if a business wants a detailed listing with a lot of additional features, they will be required to pay a set fee per month. However, this fee is very low comparing other advertising methods. Finally, Yahoo controls this site and must review a possible business listing before it goes live to make sure it is of appropriate content and fulfills their requirements. Because of that, it takes approximately 5 business days for a listing to appear on the website. There are two types of listings that YahooLocal offers, basic and enhanced. We will first discuss the basic listing. The basic listing is just that, basic. Given that, it is free to the use for businesses. Included in the business listing are several features. The first is operation information, which includes displaying the hours, locations, and accepted methods of payment. Basic also allows businesses to display contact information such as the name of the business, phone number, fax number, and email address. It furthermore lets businesses to display additional information about the products offered and services provided. This can include a listing of brands, makes and models, and associations. A link to a website may be listed to direct the potential customer to the main business website. Lastly, a business can be allowed to be listed under 5 or less categories. This is an example of a basic business listing. Enhanced listing offers all the basic listing offers and more. However, this listing costs a low fee of $9.95 per month per location. Some additional features are listed. Maximum exposure means that a business can add a company description and make the listing more discoverable to web searchers. Also, reporting allows the number of views to the listing to be visible. Another great advantage is the ability to add up to 10 large photos that are shown on a separate tab. This allows potential customers to view what the business looks like. In addition, a business can include a company tagline and logo on the main business listing page. This gives the business an image that can be easily remembered by customers. Enhanced listing also offers the choice of a detailed company listing information. 2 additional links may be listed if a company chooses. Lastly, a company could take advantage of the enhanced listing by offering promo codes or coupons. This gives potential customers an incentive to visit the business. This is an example of an enhanced business listing. As you can see, there's photos and a more detailed information about the business. Here is a comparison diagram of the two types of listings that is shown on the Yahoo website.
Local listings display businesses' key information in Yahoo Local searches with an option for the user to click for more information. There are a few requirements for businesses to display a listing. Businesses must be based in the United States, service a local area, have a website in English, and have no illegal activity promoted on their website. Here you see a collage of all the different categories that Yahoo has to offer. Here's a list of some of those categories you just saw in the collage, but there are some subcategories found underneath each of these. For example, you have pizzas and restaurants under food and dining, bars and movie theaters under entertainment and arts, airports or hotels under travel and lodging, or dealers and repairs under automotive. Some additional information that may be helpful is each business can only be submitted once. Search categories must be appropriate for the business. Listings are available for editing 24/7, and the listings may take up to 5 days to appear. This is the website where we will start our next presentation on how to sign up for an account. These are the sources we used for this presentation, and we want to thank you for taking the time to view our presentation.